How to transfer money to someone else's bank account from Bank of America account. Let's get started. There are several ways to transfer money to someone else's bank account using Bank of America. The very first one, use Zelle via a Bank of America app or online banking. Provide your credentials and log in to your Bank of America account. Navigate to Transfers, Zelle on the app, or send the Zelle money with Zelle section online. Enter your email or phone number to link your account to Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their bank account. Enter the amount and confirm the details. The recipient will receive the money typically within minutes. Also, you can use the external transfers feature. Open the Bank of America app or log in to your account at Bank of America Online Banking. Go to Transfer section and select the Make an External Transfer. Enter the recipient's bank account details. Some transfers may require verification, such as small test deposits sent to the recipient's account. Once the recipient account is added, enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Use wire transfers for large or international transfers. Log into your account, go to Transfer section and select Send a wire transfer. Enter details like recipient's name, bank name and address, SWIFT code for international transfers, routing number and account number. Double-check all the details and confirm the transfer. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money to someone else's bank account using Bank of America. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.